there is a axiom. So let us see the axiom. A transversal intersects a pair of parallel lines at two distinct spans pair of corresponding angles. Okay, if a transversal intersects a pair of parallel lines, then pair of corresponding angles. What are this? 1, 5 or 4, 8 or 2, 6 or 3, 7 are equal. Pair of corresponding angles are equal. That means 1 equal to 5, 4 equal to 8, angle 1 equal to angle 5, angle 4 equal to angle 8, angle 2 equal to angle 6, angle 3 equal to angle 7. Okay, so let us see the axiom once again. If a transversal intersects a pair of parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles are equal. This is a axiom. By using this axiom, we can prove the remaining, such as alternate interior angles are equal, alternate exterior angles are equal, and interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary, etc. Okay, by using this axiom, we can prove this all. Let us see. So here LM are two parallel lines and N is the transversal. Okay, so L is parallel to M and N is the transversal. N is the transversal. Okay, so we know the axiom. What is the axiom? If two lines are parallel, then the formed corresponding angles are equal. Means 1 equal to 5. So that is, so by using axiom, 1 equal to angle 1 equal to angle 5. Okay, since corresponding angles axiom. So here, next we know that 1 equal to 3, angle 1 equal to angle 3. Since, why these two are equal? Already we know that 1 and 3 are vertically opposite angles. Therefore 1 equal to 3. So let us, this is the first and it is the second. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, from these two equations, so this is 1 equal to 5 and it is 1 equal to 3. Therefore angle 3 equal to angle 5. Angle 3 equal to angle 5. What are those? P5. These two are alternate interior angles. So what you got? So alternate interior angles are equal. That means if a transversal intersects a pair of parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. We can prove 4 equal to 6 also. So by the same method, we can prove 4 equal to 6. Okay, so next, same like before. So N is the transversal intersecting a pair of parallel lines L and M. Okay, L is parallel to M and N is the transversal. Again, we using corresponding angles axiom. Corresponding angles axiom. So what is that? Angle 1 equal to angle 5 and 1 and 4 are linear pair. These two are linear pair. So these two are on this line. So these two are linear pair. 1, therefore angle 1 plus angle 4 equal to 180 since linear pair. Linear pair. Here angle 1 plus angle 4 equal to 180. So in place of angle 1 I am writing angle 5 since angle 1 equal to angle 5 plus angle 4 equal to 180 since angle 1 equal to angle 5. What we got? Angle 5 plus angle 4 equal to 180. Angle 5 plus angle 4 equal to 180. That means angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. So sum of two angles is 180 means they are supplementary. Angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary angles. So this is the theorem. Next we have one more axiom. So it is the converse of the first axiom. So let us see. If a transversal intersects a pair of parallel lines such that if a pair of corresponding angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel. Okay, so listen once again. If a transversal intersects a pair of lines such that a pair of corresponding angles are equal, a pair of corresponding angles are equal, either 1 equal to 5 or 4 equal to 8, whatever. So a pair of corresponding angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel. The two lines are parallel. In before axiom we said if L is parallel to M, then corresponding angles are equal. In this axiom, if corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel. That is the difference. So this is the just converse of first axiom. So by using this, now we are going to prove if alternate interior angles are equal, then lines are parallel. Let us see. N is transversal. N is transversal and alternate interior. Let us take any one of these. 4 equal to angle 4 equal to angle 6. What is the theorem? If a transversal intersects pair of lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles are equal, then they are parallel. Then the lines are parallel. So here N is transversal and a pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, 4 equal to 6 and we know that angle 6 equal to angle 8 since these two are vertically opposite angles. 6 equal to 8. So here angle 4 equal to 6 and 6 equal to 8. Therefore from these two angle 4 equal to angle 8. Angle 4 equal to angle 8. How these two are corresponding angles. So these two are corresponding angles. Therefore corresponding angles are equal. Therefore by axiom L is parallel to M. So what is the axiom? If corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Okay. So next, suppose let us see one more theorem. If two lines are parallel to the same line, then they are parallel to each other. Two lines are parallel to a line, then they are parallel to each other. So that means M, N are parallel to L, then we have to prove M is parallel to N. So what is given? L is parallel to M and L is parallel to N and N is okay. P is transversal. Okay. So here L is parallel to M. It means, so here first one is L is parallel to M and P is transversal. Therefore, angle 1 equal to angle 2 since corresponding angles. Okay, so L is parallel to M and P is the transversal. Therefore, angle 1 equal to angle 2 since corresponding angles. Next, L is parallel to N and same P is transversal. Therefore, angle 1 equal to angle 3 since same corresponding angles. L is parallel to N, P is the transversal, therefore angle 1 equal to angle 3. Here let it be the first one and it is the second one. From 1 and 2, 1 is equal to 2 and 1 is equal to 3. Therefore 2 equal to 3. 2 equal to 3. So what is the axiom? If a transversal intersects pair of lines such that a pair of corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. So by using corresponding axiom, M is parallel to N. Okay, so if L is parallel to M and L is parallel to N, then M is parallel to N. M is parallel to N. In this video we discussed if corresponding angles are equal, then these two lines are parallel. And if these two lines are parallel, the corresponding angles are equal. If these two lines are parallel, alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. If these two lines are parallel, then angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. If two lines are parallel to another line, then the two lines are parallel. These we discussed in this video. So by using these theorems or axioms, we will solve the problems in the exercise, that is in the next video. Okay, thank you one and all.